Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple plugin-free way to hide menu items in WordPress. If you've ever wanted full control over your site's navigation without installing extra plugins, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your menus in just a few clicks. Log in first. Let's log into your WordPress site. Head to your homepage and click the login button at the top right. For a faster login, choose Continue with Google and select the account linked to your site. Once you're in, you're ready to start editing. Access the site editor. Next, we need to enter the editing environment. Click Edit Site, then select your website from the overview page. This brings you into the WordPress editor, where all the magic happens. Navigate to Menu Settings. Inside the editor, look for Navigation. Click it to view your menu structure, then click the three dots and select Edit to modify your menu items. This is where you can control what appears on your site. Manage menu items. Now, to hide a menu item, click the Add Entry button, the plus icon to see all available pages. You can add new pages or adjust existing items. To hide an item, simply remove it from the menu or adjust its visibility depending on your theme settings. This way, it won't appear in your site navigation, but the page itself remains intact. Save changes after making your adjustments. Don't forget to click Save. This ensures your updates go live immediately so your visitors see the changes right away. And that's it. A simple, plugin-free method to hide menu items in WordPress. With this approach, you have full control over your site's navigation in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.